Welcome, today in front of me ODYS Thanos 10, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we should get this, okay, so you just should get this application. I'll just click here to open the app. And after that, here you'll see all the available information, and here we can see the section with the health of our device battery. And now, guys, that's good. Also, we can see here more information like the battery level, capacity, health, temperature, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.